Looking great. All right. We look good. We're on. We're live. What's up, guys? My name is Corey. In this video, we're going to talk about what is an NFT, very basic introductory concepts behind how to purchase an NFT, why there's value behind these things, and really how to purchase and where to go, and just some very basic bare bones concepts for people who have never been into this space, who are looking to get into it, who I think will find a lot of value behind this very introductory sort of topics, but we all started there as well. So this kind of wasn't around whenever I first started to look into NFTs, so I figured like a lot of people probably appreciate this sort of content. So with that being said, we're going to talk about those things here in just a quick second. But before we do, y'all, go ahead and press the subscribe button for me. It really helps out the channel. Not only that, but it also allows people who are looking for this exact same content to find it a little bit better, because YouTube sees that, they like that, they'll send it to other people who are looking for the exact same thing. And while you're down there, press the like button as well. That significantly helps as well. So without any more further philanthropy friggin' stuff, what? Let's go ahead and hop into the video. Let's talk about these core concepts so you guys can hopefully find some value behind this. All right, so first conversational piece is, what is an NFT? Some people don't even know what that is, and that is completely fine, because at one point no one knew what that was because it wasn't a thing. So an NFT, if you were to Google it, it sounds something similar to this, but I'm just going to cut to the short chase of this. We're not going to get too technical with this particular video. We're going to talk about very basic concepts in a very easy to understand way. And with that being said, an NFT is a non-fungible token. Non-fungible. What does that mean, Corey? Well, non-fungible means that it is not alike another product. So if you can sort of imagine the US dollar, every US single dollar bill is the exact same value regardless of what it looks like, who has it. A dollar is a dollar. So that would be a fungible item. A non-fungible item is sort of a one-off, one of a kind, right? So there's only one Mona Lisa out there, the actual literal one, most people think. So there's one of those, and that's what makes it unique. A few other factors, of course, but with non-fungible tokens, we're going to talk about what a token means here in a second. The non-fungible aspect of it just means that that particular asset is very special, very unique, just like Snowflake. Non-fungible token just means it's an asset on the internet. Let's talk about that here in a second. It's just an asset that's on the internet that provides value, or can be a utility in a game, for example, or even as a digital song. A token can technically be anything. It's an asset of some sort that belongs to an individual. So you have a NFT, non-fungible token, which is a very special, unique asset that only one person can technically own the majority of the times. That's an NFT. All right, core concept number 2 is, where do you go buy these NFTs? How do you buy them? And how do you just kind of hop into this space? Because that's what most people do. So number 1, you're going to need to have a wallet. Now, a wallet is not the actual physical one that you carry in your back pocket, your front pocket, or your purse, or whatever it might be. It is a digital space, kind of like a platform, where you ultimately can put your funds to convert them into something that is utilized to purchase an NFT. So it is a digital wallet. It is a website, if you will, or a plugin that is the space where you can store your funds to purchase crypto and or NFTs. So most people, whenever they're purchasing from an Ethereum blockchain, we'll explain what that is here in a second. We're not going to go into the details behind ERC21 tokens, etc. But the Ethereum blockchain, which is what most people purchase an NFT from, that is the space or the type of NFT most people still purchase these from, you're going to need to have a wallet. Now, the wallet that is most popular for that Ethereum blockchain is going to be something called MetaMask. A MetaMask wallet is by far the most popular mask out there. Wallet, not mask, that people still use, and I do as well, to store and utilize your funds in your digital wallet. Now, there's all sorts of introductory sort of how to use MetaMask. If you guys just YouTube that, you're welcome to. If you want me to make that sort of video, I'd be happy to do that with you guys. Just let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to make a how to set up a MetaMask wallet. But in short, that's where you guys are going to go buy where you're going to go store your money at, and how you can actually pull money out of the wallet to go purchase some more of these NFTs. So now you guys know what an NFT is, what is a wallet, and what's the most popular wallet. And then let's also talk about this, because we're on the conversation of wallets. Another very popular blockchain or space where you can go buy these NFTs is something that is from the Solana network. Now, Solana or Sol, the most popular one that people use for that, the most popular wallet is going to be called a Phantom wallet. Phantom is no different than the MetaMask wallet. It's just specific to that type of blockchain. So let's talk about, let's just keep it very bare bones that, and that's what you guys will most likely as well too. I highly recommend you guys use the MetaMask wallet. There's a link to that in the description below. So if you guys need that, that is there for you. All right, so now that we have a wallet set up, more or less, you have a MetaMask wallet. You need to add funds to that wallet. Now, you can't just go to the wallet and say, hey, here's my credit card, or here's my debit card, or here's literally cash, just throwing it at the screen. It's a little bit more tricky than that. So you need to take your cash or your US dollar, whatever currency you guys currently have, and you need to convert that or change that on a platform or AKA a website that can convert that to Ethereum, which is the digital currency that we are talking about this whole video. So you're gonna need Ethereum to purchase NFTs, but you can't just throw your US coins at the screen and then you get an NFT back. So where do you go to convert these actual currency into Ethereum? Now, there's a couple great spots that people utilize. Coinbase is by far the most popular option. So coinbase.com, I'll provide a link to that in the description below. You guys can go there. You can add your checking account, your banking account. You can add your debit card, not a credit card currently. And then you can convert your dollar into Ethereum, which is the most easy way to do that. And then ultimately what you do is you'll send that Ethereum from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet, and then you're good to go. You're off to the races. And in the short and sweet version of it, that is it, you guys. So you want to go to coinbase.com. There's another couple places like Binance, Kraken. All these places are really great. They're all special in their own ways. They all work, so don't get too tripped up on which one of these platforms do I go to buy my Ethereum or convert my money to Ethereum. Maybe just start at Coinbase or Kraken or Binance, whatever really works for you guys. I'll provide links to all of these in the description below. So take a look at whichever one you think is most visually appealing, which one is the easiest to use, and then ultimately that's going to be your decision maker for how to convert your coin into, or your US dollar into a digital currency like Ethereum. So you can send that Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, and then you guys are good to go off to the races. All right, so we're pretty much set up now. We have a MetaMask wallet. We have Ethereum within our MetaMask wallet, and you are ready to go. You got a shot in the gun. You're ready to fire that thing. You're ready to make your first NFT purchase, which is really exciting. I'm super pumped for you guys. Now, where do you go to do that? You don't go to Google. You don't go to Amazon.com. You got to go to these specific websites where you can go to purchase and discover and find these NFT projects. Now, for the Ethereum blockchain, again, that's what we're talking about here today, most people still purchase from, and it's for good reason, OpenSea.io. Now, again, there's going to be a link to that in the description below, so do not fall for scammer links. Do not press on anything that's not like an official link. Just do your due diligence, double check that everything looks cohesive, it's an actual legit website out there, because this is a very fresh space. There are a lot of scammers out there, and making sure that you purchase your NFT from OpenSea.io. That being said, on that website, you guys are going to be able to find, you can discover different projects. You're going to have your own profile that's similar to like a social media network. And that way you guys can see all of your assets or your NFTs on your profile that are still in your wallet on OpenSea, where you can purchase these NFTs from. Now, OpenSea is not the only one. There's a lot of other ones like Rarible and a few other ones that most people are familiar with. I'll probably leave a link to those as well. Most people still shop on OpenSea, as do I. So that's probably what I would recommend you guys starting on. It's very user-friendly, it's well-established, and it just works really well. So go ahead, head over to OpenSea, find a project that you like. You can type in literally anything from illustrations to art to music to really anything. Find something that you really like that appeals to you most, and then you can go ahead and consider making that purchase for you guys. Now, I might recommend that you guys find projects that aren't all about hype currently. There's a lot of hype in the NFT space, so you don't want to go throw your money on your first project on something that you think is going to work out really great. It's going to turn you into a millionaire tomorrow. Very unlikely that's going to happen. So I would highly recommend you do what I did not do, which is to go just find you some artwork online on OpenSea.io that you really fall in love with, that you really vibe with, that you feel is a cool piece that you would actually want to own in real life. So go take a look on the Discover section. You can go in a whole bunch of different ways to find these projects, but I'm pretty sure if you just spend 5 minutes searching OpenSea, that you're going to find something that you think is pretty sick, and I'd highly recommend you guys to consider taking a look at that and then making that decision to purchase that particular NFT. Which, from there, all you're going to do is just click on the artwork that you guys like. You'll see a Buy Now button. It's blue. And then you'll just follow the prompts to sign your MetaMask wallet saying, hey, yes, I do want to purchase this for X amount of Ethereum. And you can always go to Google and say, how much is X amount of Ethereum to US dollar or whatever currency you guys are currently using. And that's a very basic converter there as well, because one Ethereum does not equal $1. They're very different. They're completely independent, but very unique as well. So make sure you guys know how much you're spending for these Ethereum pieces, and ultimately how much money you're going to have back. Of course, very basic concepts to life. So go find you some artwork and then press the buy button, and then you should be good to go at that point. And then I would say that is it, guys. Congratulations, you purchased your very first NFT, and then from here it is a rinse and repeat. You can hold that NFT. You can be what we call a diamond hand holder. Never going to sell the dang thing, or you can sell it, and that's a whole process within itself. So if you guys want other concepts that are like this, where you can sell, how to find them, whatever it really might be, definitely let me know in the description below. If anything was unsure, or if I didn't explain it well, definitely let me know in the comments below what you guys found a little bit more difficult to understand. I'd be happy to explain or elaborate a lot more on that particular project or topic of conversation, as well as really anything else you guys want me to make a video on with regards to these introductory topics of how to purchase an NFT, what is an NFT, where do you buy these things from, and ultimately what do you do at that point. So if you guys like this video, again, please take a quick second to go ahead and press the subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot, builds up the following and my ego. It helps me out in a lot of ways. And go ahead and press the like button as well, so other people can find this video who are looking for something like this as well. That is it for this one. If you guys will like this video, do those things. If you like my face, do those things. If you like my voice, do those things. Share it with your friends and family and neighbors and your mom and your dad, and then let's go ahead and find another video to talk about. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like about this video. Let me know what you hate about this video, and let's build this thing together. Let's have a great time. Y'all stay safe. See you guys in the next one.